Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Countryman wiper blades. Begin by parking the car on level ground and turning off the ignition, then lift the wiper arm away from the glass. Locate the release tab at the blade pivot and press it firmly while sliding the blade off the hook. Wear gloves to protect hands and check blade size before buying a replacement. Keep old blade for reference and note clip orientation for correct reassembly. With the arm raised, locate the plastic release tab at the blade pivot and press it firmly to unlock the connector. Gently pull the blade downward and away from the curved hook while keeping tension on the arm to prevent it snapping back. Once removed, inspect the metal hook and the arm for rust or bends, and clean debris that could interfere with the new blade's fit before you proceed with installation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more how-to tips. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about saving and spending, which oddly pairs well with replacing worn parts responsibly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to come back for more short tips on car care. Now let's get back to the video. Slide the new blade onto the wiper arm hook, making sure the connector sits flush and locks with an audible click. Gently lower the arm back to the glass, avoiding any sudden drops that could chip the windshield. Turn on the wipers and spray washer fluid to test for streaks and proper contact across the blade, and recheck the clip orientation if you notice gaps or skipping during operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.